This morning the major currency pairs are showing red, so how will this develop? Stay tuned for the analysis. If we take a look at cable, we can see that it has been trading sideways in this ascending channel. If the pair ends up closing today below this channel, I think there is a high possibility for the pair to move downwards towards the 30.47 support level. However, if the candle closes inside the channel, I expect the price will move towards the key resistance level at 33.58 and ultimately 35.30. Now let's take a look at the euro-dollar. This pair has had a slight pullback today, however it looks very healthy. The pair is moving within this ascending channel and is inching towards the previous highs of March. As you can see, the price tabbed the 20.52 support level and squeezed up, and this gives me confidence that it will continue its momentum upwards. As you may know, the dollar has lost a lot of value in the past year, so this momentum shouldn't be stopping anytime soon. I think the euro-dollar will open above 21.60 on Monday, and maybe break through this channel next week, and move towards the first resistance level of 23.18. Moving on to the dollar-yen, we can see a descending channel. As mentioned before, the dollar is not strong right now, and I am expecting the price to fall going into next week. This would be an excellent short for swing traders, and I don't expect much of a momentum shift, not until the price break below the channel. Lastly, we got gold. Gold is looking very strong, although it had trouble breaking $1,870 a few days ago. I do expect gold to retest this resistance level next week, and hopefully retest the $1,900 level in the upcoming weeks. I would suggest holding on to gold through the weekend, as it has stopped selling off, and should now gain in price.